So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you want to type in sfc /scan now. And then click on enter. Then you want to run this scan. Ignore this error on my screen, but in your case, you want to run this scan. As the scan is running, you want to minimize this. We can run it in the background. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search again and type in services. Click on it. And then once you run this, you want to click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to scroll down till you find Windows Security Service. Double click on it. If it lets you, you want to change the startup type to automatic and then click on start, which will then make the service status running, and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you want to head over to search again and type in Windows PowerShell. You want to right click on it and then click on run as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you run this, you just want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. So you just want to highlight this. We're going to copy it by doing Ctrl C on our keyboard. Now we're going to go to PowerShell. You want to right click on the white tab, click on edit, and then click on paste, and then click on enter. And now for the next step, you want to head over to CMD again. Make sure that your SSC scan now command has been fully completed. Wait for it to be on 100%. Now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health, and click on enter. Now you want to run this final scan. You want to wait for this final scan to be fully completed. Then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.